Hi traders, welcome to this demonstration video of how to install an FX Algo Trader product with Windows UAC enabled. What we have is MetaTrader 4 here, and my account number is in the top left hand corner. So the first thing I need to do is make sure that account is registered with the FX Algo Trader license management system. So go to the FX Algo Trader website, scroll down to the license management area, enter your unique reference number and your ID, and then make sure that your account number is registered on the license management system. So in this case, my account number is in the top left hand corner of the MT4 application 1002082042, and I've previously entered that into the account number 1 slot within the customer license management system. So once you've done that, you need to work out where your installation paths are going to be. And I say paths because if you're running Windows UAC, Windows will virtualize the MetaTrader data folders into a hidden folder on your hard drive, but you also, in order to get the system to work, you need to do a tandem installation where you also install into the physical MetaTrader installation folder. So let's just minimize that screen and we're going to work out where our data folders are. So we go to File, Open Data Folder, and this strange path we've got here is the Windows UAC virtualized path. So this weird alphanumeric number here is the first location where we need to install the FX Algo Trader product. And you'll also notice that there's a file in this folder called Origin, and if you just click it, you can see here, click Edit, and it'll put it into your selected editor. And this path here, C IBM preload program files ODL MetaTrader 4 #2, that is our secondary installation target. So all we've got to simply do is just point the installer at both the virtualized file store and also this file store here, C IBM preload program files, etc. So let's go back to our browser and we click Generate New Installer Links, and that's going to take us to this page here, which tells us exactly which, or gives us links for any products which we're licensed for. It also gives you the link to the installation guide. Now that's critical, so make sure you open that up and have a good read. 99% of all support inquiries are because people haven't read the guide, or they've gone into kind of freestyle mode and started moving files around and generally just kind of, guessing. So it's all in here, and if you follow it carefully, this shouldn't be a problem. It looks really laborious, but it isn't. Once you get the hang of it, of installing, you can do it in about 20 to 30 seconds flat. So let's just go back to this installer link, and I'm going to copy it, and I'm going to open up a new window, paste it into that window, hit enter, and now the Daily Pivots version 3 package is being downloaded. Once it's finished being downloaded, open it up. You need to make sure you've got a zip utility installed on your machine, so use 7-zip, which is a good free utility, and there's a link to that in the installation guide. Once the package is downloaded, double click it, click run. You're going to get UAC prompts all over the place saying, are you sure you want to allow this program to make changes? You do. So this path we've got here, first of all, that was our primary part, our physical location, C IBM preload program files ODL MetaTrader 4 #2. Notice before, I've got a couple of things open. I've got my snipping tool open still, so I can see where my virtual file folder is, and I think I've also got Notepad open as well, so I've always got a reference to where these locations are. So in the first case, let's install in the physical location. Doesn't matter which order you do it in. So we're going to go for that folder, click install, click finish. I've got a UAC prompt at the bottom saying, do you want to allow this program to make changes to your registry? I do. And I've got another UAC prompt saying, are you sure you want to let Visual C++ redistributables run? I do. So I've just accepted those. And now I'm going to run the installer again. And I'm going to point it at the virtual folder. So I need to just open up my notepad, my snipping tool, and I need to go to C users crisp and updated roaming metaquotes terminal, and I'm looking for that long alphanumeric string ending in 3 Bs. So all I do is C users crisp in my name, go to app data. If you can't see app data, go to Control Panel in Windows, select Folder Options, and then go to the View tab, and then make sure you tick Show Hidden Files, Folders and Drives, and that will make app data, which is normally a hidden folder, visible. Go to Roaming, click M to take you to metaquotes, open up the metaquotes node, click Terminal, open that up. And we're looking for something ending in 3 Bs and starting with CA1B, which is that folder there. So select it, OK it. It asks me whether I want to install it in the folder because it already exists. Click yes. Click install. Click finish. Got UAC prompts again. Registry changes, yes. And Visual C++ redistributables, yes. Now close all this down. Close MetaTrader, because otherwise the changes you just made won't be reflected. Reopen MetaTrader, Windows UAC prompt again. And close everything down in MetaTrader. Make it easy, start with a clean sheet, go to a new chart, open it up, open your custom indicators folder if it's an indicator you've purchased, go down to, in this case, Daily Pivots version 3. Make sure in the Common tab you've enabled DLL imports and allow external expert imports. Click OK. As it's the first time we've run the system, the Java-based license management utility pops up on the screen, and it's asking us to enter our unique reference number. So we tick build 600 or higher if we're running build 600 or higher. If you're not sure which version you're running, go to help and then about, and you will see the version of MetaTrader you're running, which in this case is 625. And now enter your unique reference number, in this case 542. Click Save Changes. Now simply, best thing to do is open up a new chart, drag the indicator onto the chart, click Allow DLL imports and allow external expert imports, click OK those, and the license management system queries the web server, and hey presto, you have your package installed quite happily. Keep an eye on the experts tab for any errors. If you see anything like, what did we see down here, stack damage, check DLL function calls, etc., just close the chart, reopen it, and then reload the indicator, and you should be fine. So that is how to do the tandem installation with Windows UAC enabled. My advice, turn Windows UAC off. It is a pain in the neck, and it just makes life twice as difficult as it needs to be. So it's up to you. If you don't mind doing the tandem installation and obviously having UAC prompts all over the place every time you do anything, then okay, that's your choice. But personally, I can't stand it. I think it's a complete waste of time. But anyway, it's all a matter of taste, I guess. So hopefully that was helpful. Please don't hesitate to contact me if there are any questions. Thanks for listening.